So, we shall read today about the structure of our teeth. A tooth has three parts. These are the crown, neck, and root. So, all these are the pictures of the teeth, and that all these are the crown and neck and the root. They grow on the muscles. These are crown. So this one is called the incisors, and this type of canines, and then premolars and molars. So we have four kinds of teeth. It is the visible part of the tooth. The neck lies below the crown, and the root lies in the gum and holds the tooth in its place. Then comes our layers of a tooth. A tooth has three layers. The outer hard white layer is called the enamel. It is the hardest substance in the human body. Below the enamel lies the dentine. The dentine is hard bone, like inside the dentine is the pulp. This is soft and has blood vessels and nerves. The nerves are connected to the gum through a hole in the root. So, first the enamel, dentine, and the pulp. So, here you can say the pulp, and this is the hardest layer. It is called the enamel. These are also called the enamel. The upper part, and dentine the middle part, and the pulp is the root part. That is, they are attached to the muscles and nerves. The nerves are connected to the gum through a hole in the root. Then tooth decay. Teeth help us chop, cut, tear, and chew food most of your life. When you eat, food particles get stuck in the gaps between the teeth. Germs or bacteria grow in these groups. These bacteria are fond of starchy, sugary food. They grow on the food particles and produce a substance called an acid. The acid eats into the enamel and causes a cavity, a hole in the tooth. When the cavity reaches the pulp, the tooth starts spinning. You find difficult to eat and drink. Cavities or tooth decay also causes bad breath, bleeding gums, and indigestion. So, the cavity. Cavity, this means it is caused by our food. That when we eat food and we cut food, at that time, that little food that remain inside our teeth, that get stuck in the gaps between the teeth. So we have to that pull out them. Then at that time, if that food remains, that that stock food remains in our inside or in the gaps of the teeth, then they cause pain. So we go to dentist. You find difficult to eat and drink. Cavities or tooth decay also causes bad breath, bleeding gums, and indigestion. So we should that eat our foods properly. We should chop or cut or tear and chew the food properly. We should not swallow our food. If we shall that chew or we shall tear the food properly, then it can be easily digested. Care of teeth. Calcium and vitamin C are important for healthy teeth and gums. Foods like milk, cheese and cottage, these are rich sources of calcium. Here are some tips for keeping teeth healthy. Brush your teeth every morning and every night before going to bed. Make sure that you move your brush both upwards and downwards. That you should brush your teeth regularly in the morning and in the evening, that the food that are stocked that in the gaps, they should come out. They should not that be stuck there for some time. Use a dental floss to clean between two teeth. Rinse your mouth every time you eat. It removes food particles stuck in the gaps. Avoid eating too many chocolates, sweets and aerated drinks. Eat raw carrots, apples and radish. They help to clean the teeth. They also make them strong. Visit your dentist every 6 months for a checkup. So that we should take that some important fruits and that food that which can make our teeth strong. So use carrots, apples and radish because they also help to clean the teeth and they also make the teeth strong. So everybody must that take care of his teeth and that you should not leave the food which are stocked in the gaps of your teeth. You have to that wash your mouth. That you have to wash your mouth that properly. You have to take your food properly. You have to chew them. You have to tear them, and they will be helpful for digestion. And don't swallow the food. And then how you will take care? Every day you have to brush twice, in the morning and in the evening. That after every meal you should brush, you should that keep your teeth clean. After what you eat, then you have to that wash your teeth and mouth properly. And use a dental floss to clean between two teeth. Then when you are brushing, that you have to the brush the teeth, the upper layer and the teeth which are at the lower layer. So that your brush should touch all the teeth and all the gaps that between the teeth. Then we shall read that microbes, kinds of microbes next time. So be attentive for your teeth. Thank you very much, students.